Sorry about that.
No
Just
wahala.
come back here. Everything is mess. All right. Okay, let's quickly, do orientation, introduce ourselves, right?
Okay.
Yeah. I know you from Igbo from your name. Yeah, I'm Igbo too. Yeah. So, the only thing I keep advising people or my mentee that comes is trading is not get rich scheme, right? It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's something of a process.
Okay.
You have to just take it like you want to go do tailoring or you want to go learn a skill, like become a doctor or engineer, you know, it's something you have to count like you know year one, year two. All right. Before you get certificates for your become a doctor or a lawyer, then start practicing to start making money. So trading is a profession. It's not a gamble. That's how you guys to take it. Just change that mindset. I'm trying to reprogram your mindset. That's how. Let's start from the basics. Let's not forget about making money, right? If you know the skill, money gonna come. If you're a basketballer, if you're a footballer, just know how to play. Forget about the money. The coach, they're gonna sign you up, money gonna come into your account. Just know how to play the skills of the soccer, the football, the game. So money gonna come in. Just forget about the money. Let's focus on the learning. Just focus on the, learning and be consistent and keep, I see you have the motivation, the zeal is there, keep on doing it and which is a good start, you know. So just this is kind of orientation I'm giving to you so you can know. Just take it like that. Like, forget about money. Yes, we all need bills. This is Canada. Bills are everywhere flying, and we have to pay mortgage. You have family to take care of, but just take it aside. Don't let that emotion come. Just take it as, learning the skill and everything gonna, fall into place. So I wanna quickly share my screen, so uh, we know where we are. Okay. When you see my screen, just let me know. Can you see my screen? No?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Do you see anything foundation of almighty formula?
Yes, I do. With
Aha.
candlesticks on the laptop. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. So this is what I trade. I call it almighty formula. That's what I name it. Like I combine price action together with SMC. So I use SMC as a sniper to for my entry. So I use supply and demand, price action or trend line, starting from the top-down analysis from the higher time frame, then come to the lower time frame using SMC, to get a sniper entry. So I combine all of them. I name it Almighty Formula. So this is what we are gonna be learning from the section one, right? So mastering price action, understanding market structures, trading with confidence and consistency. So this is the boot camp objective, right? So by the end of this program, you will be able to understand the price behavior, market structure. You can be able to spot out the key zone, the support, resistance, and the liquidity. So this liquidity is very, very, very important. So this liquidity, you see some people say, "Oh, market take me out and still go my direction." So a lot of traders still struggle with this thing, even if some of them that have been into the game 5 years, 7 years still struggle with this liquidity. So and how to read candlestick pattern with price action, applying Fibonacci level effectively, execute from the higher, higher time frame probability trade, and trade with confidence. All right, so these are the things we're gonna be studying for today. Okay.
Can I just ask you a simple question?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sorry to take you back.
Yeah.
There was a part I missed.
Okay.
You said if you want to start your entry, you start from the higher time frame.
No.
Then you go to the lower time frame.
No, you want to do top-down analysis.
Okay.
You start from the higher time frame. Entry is on the lower time frame.
Okay.
Yes. So you start from the we are daily traders, so mainly we start from the daily. But sometimes I go to monthly and weekly. When I don't understand what the chart is, what the chart is doing, so I go a little bit further to monthly and weekly. So we're gonna dive into the real life market, and we do that. But we are daily traders, so we always start from the daily. Yeah.
So the higher time frame, what time is it? 4 hours, or I know you said start from the day.
No, higher time frame start from the monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour.
Okay.
Yeah, to me, yeah.
Okay.
But daily, we are daily traders, so most time I start from daily too. But we're gonna be doing it like I will tell you also the reason why we start from monthly and weekly as well. When the chart started misbehaving, right? When you start getting to losses back to back, go to higher time frame and understand, clear your chart. Start from the monthly time frame, understand what the structure is telling you, the market structure is doing. It helps a lot. Okay. So I'm gonna close this one. Open this one. All right. I don't know if you see my screen, Dragon Peep FS.
Yes, I see it.
Okay. So the mentorship begin. So this is agenda week 1. All right. Introduction and orientation. So we're gonna be doing 3 sections in total. All right. So this this Zoom is gonna be Zoom always give 40 minutes. So that's why I send the 40 minutes. If it expires, then I will open another one. So which I already send you the second one. So that sometimes also depending on how the how the motivation is going. Sometimes I go to three Zoom as well. First 140, second 140, another 140, depending on how fast, how some people are not so fast. I don't know, maybe like you, some people are very, very, so slow in learning. So everybody is not the same. So sometimes you make the Zoom go up to 3. So if you go to 3, like 1, 2, 3 in a day, you know what I mean? Like 40 minutes expire, another 40 minutes expire. We can also go for, 3, so, but it rarely happen, but sometimes it happen as well, depending on how fast people are learning, especially people that don't really know the basic, starting from MT5, all those ones, they don't know MT5, they don't know what is trading view. So we start from that scratch to configure those things. So sometimes it makes the Zoom, more longer, you know what I mean. Okay, so introduction and orientation, 3 sections in total. Mastering market structure and price behavior. So we already say all these things. Understanding the trend line, support and resistance, and the time frame analysis. Learning how to read the market like a pro. Apply what you learn in the real life market. So these are some of the assignments you're gonna do, at the end of the day. In your own word, define what is market structure, price behavior, higher high and higher lows, break of structure versus change of character. Use a trending view to screenshot any forex pair of your choice, like Euro USD, GBP, JPY. Mark the market structure clearly and mark out the higher high, higher low lower high and lower low. So these are assignments. Part 2, mark out the support and resistance and the trend line, and the trend you choose at any time frame, 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, or daily time frame. Example, trend is bullish or bearish. You just mark it out. Show one area, price respect the key zone. So one area price respect the key zone is the support and resistance. Or in part 3, write in your own words, 100 to 150 words, answering how has this understanding market structure changed the way you view the markets. So these are gonna be assignments. So when we're diving into the real life market, which is the main thing, then everything gonna make sense to you. So let's quickly diving into the real life market. Okay. I'm gonna share my screen now. All right, I'm gonna hide this just to explain to you how market works. So these are the things. Are you there?
I'm with you.
Okay. So these are the things, how market structure. So we're starting from market structure, right? All right. So you have to know this thing. This is how I see markets. All right. This is how I see market. I use this one to draw it. Okay. This is consolidation. We don't trade consolidation, but if you spot a consolidation in the market, then we'll buy. Okay, let me do it again.
I saw this consolidation in BTC. I tried to enter, but my entry no correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's working every time frame, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. If you spot it out on the higher time frame, like daily time frame, 4 hour time frame, I'm always happy. Like I close my eyes and then I buy or sell. Like it's always strong, right? If you spot this consolidation, but with time you're gonna be seeing them, this consolidation. Yes, I think it's on BTC 15. Is it on 15 minutes? I think.
Yes, it was 15 minutes.
Huh?
So
Yes,
it was too fast for me.
Yes.
I think that's how I missed, that's how I crashed on that sales.
Yeah.
But like you said now, you said if it is daily this thing,
Yes.
it's easier and it's stronger.
And
but me, I didn't know that one.
Yes, but
I'm just knowing it now.
you have to have enough patience, right?
Yeah.
You have to, if it's on daily, you have to wait for patience. But when you get it, is you're in money. Like you have confidence. You close your eyes, and so this is resistance. And this is support. Okay.
Yeah, I'm with you.
So we'll do another one.
I'm just taking notes. I know the video is recorded, but I like to take notes.
Yeah, take notes. Yeah, take it as a business. Be serious about it. That's what I do too. Okay, so this is bullish buy. Okay, just wait for when it's gonna break out. There's a lot of them I'm gonna teach you, but you don't need to trade all of them. You have to select, because you need to be disciplined and focused. But I'm gonna teach you all of them. Then you select the one that is more. You keep on doing it and get confidence with it. So this is bullish buy, ranging bullish buy. So this is for bearish. Okay. And put your stop loss a little bit above 20 pips. Stop loss. Your profit here. Okay. Now this is bearish. So the same thing. The resistance here. Same thing, supports here. Okay. So we have another one. This is flag pattern. Okay. This is gonna be bullish. Bullish wedge or bullish flag, whichever one. Always make sure you know where to take profits. So where to take profits here is here. Let me change this one. You take your TP here. Okay. Now this guy, there's this guy that's supposed to join. What happened? It's yeah.
So if it pass that place, it's possible it will retrace back, Abi.
Yeah. Okay, Femi, we are online. So if you have time, just join. I'm waiting for you. Just 1 second.
Can I Femi FO be that?
Yeah, I have a lot of Femi here. This one, he live in US. There's another one.
Oh no.
Yeah,
Okay, now the one where they Winnipeg, I know.
yeah, the one that is active as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not that one. I also sent a message, but yeah. Where is this? Okay, so this one, let's move ahead. Maybe I send them recording later. So this one is what? Bullish flag. Bullish flag pattern. All right. So this one is always give me money. This guy, this bullish flag. If you watch most of my setup, my projection I send, you're gonna be seeing this. I always spotted these ones, a lot, and I always have confidence in it. Whether daily, 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, But if I spot it out daily, 4 hour, weekly, monthly, I'm always happy, Yeah, so and this is a bullish flag or bullish wedge. So we have another one that goes like this as well. So this one is bearish. So if you see where I'm drawing the line coming from, this is bearish.
Yeah.
Okay. So you range here, range here. Later we're gonna go real life markets and we do some examples. Okay. So look at where it retests. So always wait for the retest here. Okay, that's another thing. All right. So, but to me, these days, I always go aggressive from here. I always start from here, catch it aggressively. But for you, if you're learning it, all right, meeting gonna end in 10 minutes. I'm gonna still resend another. Okay, already resend it. So that one start from 3:30. So you just click it and join. And we may go because of the delay, we may go 3 sections if you want, so but just to let you know. Okay. Oh shit. What did I click? Oh, never mind. The screen, has it stopped sharing?
I can see your picture. It's still sharing.
Yeah, click something. Everything just disappeared. Can you see my trading view or no?
No, I'm not seeing your trading view anymore.
Yeah. I mistakenly clicked something. Let me share it back again.
So just while you are on it,
Okay.
can I ask you a question?
Yeah, go
So
ahead, please.
those like that bullish this thing, you say you used to go aggressive, and you said something in earlier on. Yeah, you are back.
Yeah.
Earlier on that you start analyzing from the higher time frame, the
Yeah.
daily, the monthly, before you now go into
Lower time
the
frame.
lower time frame. You do your entry to your lower time frame.
Yeah.
So when you've seen this one in a daily pattern, or you've seen it in like a 4-hourly pattern, because what I do is I usually just go to daily and the 4 hours pattern. I don't do monthly. You understand me? So,
Okay.
which is probably why I'm making all these mistakes.
Yeah.
Thank God I'm learning from the pro now. So, what lower time frame do you make your entry from?
Okay, good question. I do mostly 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Okay.
Yes. Sometimes also I want to do scalping, then I go to 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, yeah, 15 minutes, yeah, thereabouts, yeah. If I want to do scalping, 5 minutes. Entry, I do my entry from 15 minutes. Sometimes as well, when I do entry 15 minutes, then I go to 1 hour or 30 minutes.
Okay.
But yes, all these things you're gonna figure it yourself. Let's say I spotted a strong structure on weekly or monthly time frame. I would like to do my entry on 1 hour because now
Okay.
I have gone a little bit more farther on monthly. But mostly I start from daily. Then if I see daily, 15 minutes.
Okay.
Yes.
Weekly is 1 hour.
Yes. If I spot
Weekly
that, yeah, strong structures on
entry
monthly, weekly. So, yes.
1 hour.
Yeah, 1 hour. Yeah.
Then you said which one is 15 minutes? Four
Daily.
hours.
Yeah, daily. We
Okay,
start from daily. Yes. I don't do analysis.
daily
Yeah.
entry,
Yeah, 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Yes. And make sure you stick to one. If you are 15 minutes, always stick to 15 minutes. And if you are 1 hour, stick to 1 hour. Try to master those price
Master it.
action. Because by the time you keep on doing entry all the time in 15 minutes, 15 minutes, each time you're going loss, your body will be reacting that this thing, my brain is not telling me this is not how 15 minutes profit goes, price goes. I don't know what when you start seeing those candle, right? Because now your brain has been wired for 15 minutes entry. So when the price is going, you're not on the trade, and there's a way that 15 minutes candle is going, you didn't like the way it's going. Your body will be reacting to it because your body is used to when it's going well, your body will know. That is why it's good to stick, to always use one particular time frame. You want to use 30 is good to you. You want to use 15, 5 minutes is good, but always maintain one. So usually I use 15 and 1 hour to
That's what I
understand.
want to hear. I
Yeah.
wanted to hear your expert advice.
Yes, that's what I use. So if I start like on Friday, on Thursday, I spotted that USD card on weekly time frame. There's a bearish strong pattern. I've been waiting for almost like 1 week for it to mature. So I did my entering from 1 hour on USD card. I will still show you. But sometimes when I start out with the gold, silver, all those gold, silver, I start from daily time frame. I do my entry. So because they have high volatility, right? So I just go to 5 minutes or 15 minutes to do my entry because any push for all those pair, they are highly volatile. So it can just wipe away your account. So just stay on the 5 minutes of, on 15 minutes. So bullish. So this is bearish flag pattern, right? So always wait for you
Let
to.
me take that down. Let me take that down. You said gold and silver have high volatility, right?
Yes.
So always take your entry at 5 minutes for them.
Yes, always yes. Even some
Gold
people go to 1 minute, but I
silver,
don't. 1 minute is too much noise.
silver.
So I like to stay 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Yeah, on gold, silver. Even
And you start analyzing from 1 hour, you said?
no daily time frame from
Okay.
daily, yes.
From daily.
Daily or weekly from gold, silver, yeah. Yeah, mostly daily, yeah.
And entry is in 5 minutes.
Yeah, entry 5 minutes, 15 minutes, yeah.
Is gold and silver the only volatile distance?
No, BTC is very high volatile. Nasdaq is high volatile. NAX 100, Nasdaq. US,
Max
US
100,
30, Donald Jones, US 30 is high volatile.
BTC.
Yeah, BTC is high volatile. US 30 is high volatile. NASDAQ, NAS 100 is highly volatile.
Okay.
So this one is double top. All these ones, you got to cram them in your head. This is okay. You're in now. Somebody's in. This is double top. Okay, so these are all basic, You just like you are building a house. If you don't, the foundation is not strong, the house will collapse, right? So you need to know the foundation, which is very, very important. So this is double top, right? So we also have triple top. Are you still jotting in?
Yeah, I just wanted to finish, then I'll take a picture of it.
Oh, okay.
That's what I do. Like I've taken a picture of all the flags.
Yeah.
So it's the double top and the heads and shoulder that I'm
Okay.
looking to take the picture.
Yeah, Femi, are you the one that joined in case
Yes.
okay.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
me that just joined.
Yeah, so yeah, this meeting gonna end. When
Hello,
it
Femi.
end, yeah.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Frank, nice to meet you.
All right. So if it ends, I send you a second one to them. We'll join on the second one. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, it's gonna end.
How long have you started this one?
40 minutes already, gone. 40
Yeah,
minutes. Each of them is
Mike, you put it there as Pacific time.
yes, that's Toronto time, like Toronto
Oh,
time, 2:45. So
oh,
in you're in Texas, right?
yeah, Central.
So yeah,
So
you
I was
gotta
thinking California.
yeah, what's your time now currently?
Right now it's 2:25.
Okay, so that means it's the same thing with Winnipeg, right? It's the same thing with you.
Yeah, we are the same.
Yeah, the same.
Okay.
So anytime I post Zoom, which is example, let's say 2 p.m., just know that is 1 p.m. your time.
Okay, it's just an hour. Okay.
Yes. So if I put
That's an
4
hour
p.m.,
behind.
4 p.m., know that is 3 p.m. your time.